Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to invest on Robinhood. So this is for beginners and these are for US and UK residents only. So Robinhood is only available in the US and the United Kingdom, and if you don't live in those regions, you're not going to be able to use Robinhood. I suggest using another type of crypto or investment platform for your investments. So you can do two things: buy stocks, ETFs, or buy crypto using Robinhood. But I won't really recommend Robinhood for crypto, but if you want to do so, you can actually do so. So right here, we're gonna discuss about your investing using stocks or ETFs and their options. So you can learn more right here. So you can get started on them. So you have to sign up, but I remind again, it's only for UK, the Europe, and the US. So here, stocks and ETF, you only have to sign up, give them your taxpayer identifications in US and UK, and then you'll be able to get diversified with stock bundles and even leveling up your strategy using Robinhood trading. So there's also indicators right here for you to use, advanced charts. Like they say, you can even build strategies, adding to your watch list, of course, and trading with greater flexibility. So it's really easy to trade right here. So here are the actual fees when it comes to trading. So they don't have commission fees and they don't have per contract fees for your stock and ETF options. The only fees that you will get is the exchange fees, of course. So that does not go away. And unless you're a really high premium category, you will get lesser and lesser fees. So you have option regulatory fee for per contract with 0.01 cent and 0.02 for OCC clearing fee per contract. So this is the actual commission fees and the fees that may apply between Robinhood, Fidelity, and Schwab. And you can see that Schwab does it better, but except for the per contract fees for stock and ETF options. So this is what I'm talking about, the premium part, the leveling up with Robinhood Gold. You will get 4.25 APY with high yield cash and advanced data market. So basically, to just invest, it's pretty simple. According to them right here, all you have to do is wait for the regular market hours. That's going to be 9:30 a.m. and 4 p.m. ET. And basically, you can set a limit order or a preset limit price for that. And you can also buy market orders and very much. So it's really simple. You have to go to the stock detail page and historical price analyst in the company. So let's say you wanted to buy Apple stocks. All you have to do is select trade, buy, or just buy if you don't currently own the stock itself. So, by default, you'll be asked to enter the amount you'd like to purchase in dollars, or you can choose to buy shares. There's two things: you can buy a share and you can buy via your own dollar. So, another type is by selecting the dollar, like I've said. Then you'll have to review your order and then just edit it and then select correct. There. If it's all good, swipe up and submit your order, then it'll push through. Then you'll be able to actually just go ahead and enjoy your stock. So it's just that simple right here to actually buy stocks in Robinhood. So there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.